Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita Kotak and I'm a health and wellbeing coach. And I help people live a healthier, happier life physically, mentally and spiritually. And today I'm going to share with you, do another video blog on my juice fast. I'm doing a 3-day juice fast. This is the third one of the year, my last one of the year. The first juice fast I did was for 3 days in February and I used this company, Karmic Juices. I did no preparation for that juice fast, and after I finished the 3-day juice fast, I went back to my normal diet, so nothing really changed. The second juice fast, I went to Byron Bay and I had an amazing time for 5 days, and I was guided through the juice fast. I was guided through the juice fast before, what to do, during, and then afterwards I introduced food slowly into my diet so I can work out what works with me and what doesn't. So this time, my third juice fast is, I'm going to do a little mini version of what I did in Byron Bay. So I've ordered my juices from Karmic Juice Company. And the reason I like their juices is because they come in glass bottles and they're organic and they're low fructose and they're delivered to me. And if I was going to do this juice fast myself and juice them myself, it probably would not happen. So I ordered them in and I'm going to replicate most of the things that I did at Byron Bay. So I'm going to do the dry brushing, the tongue scraping, the coconut pulling. I will also be doing the magnesium baths, what I did, and I've booked in for 2 colonics during the 3 days, and I'll probably book in a massage as well. And I'm going to update you on each day. So this is the night before the juice fast. They arrived on the Sunday before, and each day I will update you and let you know how I go with juice fast number 3. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi everybody, I'm just going to update you on day 1 of the juice fast. So I had my juices delivered yesterday and I had all 8 juices today. Now it was a bit difficult because there were cold juices except 2 warm drinks, and the weather's not been all that good this week or today, so I found myself feeling a bit cold. I didn't have any hunger pains. I did have a bit of a light head, a bit headachy, but nothing too serious. It was difficult doing this juice fast with the kids and the family and making their dinner, and they were eating a juicy mango which I really wanted to eat but I didn't, and I stuck to it. I didn't do any colonics or anything today for myself like I did at the Byron Bay juice fast, because I was teaching 2 classes of yoga and I didn't want to tire myself out. So I had all the 8 juices. I will have my magnesium bath when I get home. I did the coconut pulling, the tongue scraping and the dry brushing, and I'm going to have an early night. So I will update you tomorrow on day 2 of the juice fast at home. Thanks for watching. Bye.
This is an update on my at-home juice fast, day 2. So I've had the juice fast for day 2. I had all my 8 juices and I had a clear diary today. So yesterday was day 1, which I found a bit hard because I was still teaching classes and still kind of working, minimum though. And today I had a clear diary. So I had the 8 juices, felt good. Wasn't as cold as yesterday. The weather was warmer, so it made it a bit easier. And I also had my colonic, which was great, in South Melbourne. And I had a beautiful massage, so I felt great. I had an early night and it wasn't that bad at all. I feel good, I feel clean, I feel light, I feel clear. Not as good as I did when I was in Byron Bay, but still it's not bad. It's a good feeling of feeling clean and reset. Anyway, tomorrow I will update you on day 3 of my fast. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Hi everybody, I'm going to review today, yesterday, which was day 3 of the fast, and I'm also going to talk about breaking fast. So day 3 went really well. I wasn't hungry. My energy levels was lower, so I couldn't do too much. I just did the basics that I had to do with the kids. I went for a little walk, but just kept it really quiet. I did have my colonic, and I actually had a coffee colonic for the first time. It just felt the same as a normal water colonic, so that was fine. In the evening, I was relieved once I had my last juice, and I had an early night, so that was good. And this morning I woke up, my stomach was growling for food, so breaking fast, I broke it with papaya, a bit of mint, and a bit of lime juice. Apparently that's the best fruit to use to break fast. It's got the right enzymes in it, from what I learned from my naturopath on my last fast. And breaking fast is one of the most important parts of fasting, I feel, because that gives your body an opportunity, and also your mind an opportunity, to add foods into your diet slowly, so you can feel how your body reacts to it. And another thing that comes out of fasting is that you appreciate food more. When I took that first bite of that papaya, it was so beautiful. I slowly chewed the fruit, felt the taste in my mouth, and it just felt amazing, and I ate really nice and slowly. So I want to continue that in the next couple of days, being aware of what I'm eating, slowly adding food back into my diet. So I'm not going to go and binge on anything. So today I'm going to add fruits and vegetables into my diet. I've made a nice slow cooked vegetable broth, and tomorrow I will maybe add a few more nuts and seeds, like chia seeds, hemp seeds, stuff like that. And the next day I'm planning to add some sprouted organic biodynamic bread into my diet, and then that way I can just slowly start adding food into my diet. I want to add no processed, no preservatives, no additives, no packaged foods for the next couple of days, and keep it to a minimum moving forward after the fast. Anyway, I hope you've liked this fasting series. I'm going to put the link below of the karmic juices that I had and ordered in Melbourne. And if you've got any questions, don't forget to comment below, and thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.